Imagine waking up on the morning of your 100th birthday. You move with ease, breathe deeply, and prepare your breakfast without needing anyone's help. There are no medical devices crowding your room, no chronic pain weighing you down, and no fading memory tripping you up over simple details. You step outside your cozy home, walk through the trees, soak up the sun, and greet your neighbors, all of you radiating the same vitality as if age were just a number. No, this isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's real life for thousands of people around the world. For decades, this phenomenon has puzzled scientists. How can a community that lives so simply, without advanced medical technology or trendy supplements, stay this healthy well past the age of 100? But let me ask you something directly. Did you know that scientists have discovered your body can reverse the age of your cells by up to 20 years naturally, without drugs or surgery? This isn't a marketing claim. It's a scientific reality that's only recently come to light through groundbreaking research. In recent years, studies have transformed our understanding of aging. They've revealed that the secret isn't only in our genes. It lies in activating powerful natural mechanisms that exist inside every single cell in our bodies. More and more research has continued to uncover the details of these incredible processes. The answers started to emerge through Japanese research that completely flipped the way we think about aging. Between 2023 and 2025, studies published in prestigious journals like Nature Metabolism, Cell Reports, and Science Advances revealed that human cells have an astonishing built-in repair system that can be naturally activated. This system slows down aging and protects the body from chronic diseases. What's fascinating is that this power isn't some complicated biological secret, and it doesn't rely on expensive treatments. It all comes down to simple, daily habits. The same ones practiced by long-living communities, often without realizing they were triggering their body's most powerful regeneration mechanism. And here's the best part. Anyone can adopt these habits starting tonight. And the real story behind this discovery began over 50 years ago in a quiet village in Japan. But before we dive deeper, if this message resonates with you, hit the like button and subscribe. The journey is just getting started. Nearly 50 years ago, no one was talking about the secrets of Japanese longevity. It all began in 1975, when a young cardiologist named Makoto Suzuki was at the very start of his medical career in Tokyo. He had no idea that a single phone call from a rural village in Okinawa would lead him to a discovery that would forever change the way we understand aging. He was told about a woman who was over 100 years old, yet still worked in the fields every morning as if she were in her prime. Driven by professional curiosity, he drove down narrow dirt roads expecting to find a frail old lady barely able to stand. But when he arrived, he didn't find a patient. He witnessed a moment that would stay with him for the rest of his life. In that instant, he realized there was a hidden secret in the way these people lived. He saw an elderly woman standing firmly, holding a sickle, cutting grass with precise movements, laughing heartily under the sun. This wasn't an isolated case. It was the beginning of uncovering an entire lifestyle. From that moment, Dr. Suzuki began a decades-long research journey, documenting the lives of hundreds of centenarians in Okinawa. He found that their secret wasn't advanced medicine or supplements, but a natural rhythm they lived by every single day. They ate differently, slept on a regular schedule, moved a lot, and, most importantly, had a deep, mindful philosophy toward food and the body. Around the same era, while Suzuki was observing the elderly, another scientist was watching what was happening inside the cells themselves. In a small lab in Tokyo, Yoshinori Osumi was experimenting on yeast cells, trying to understand a mysterious behavior: how cells eat themselves under certain conditions. What he discovered would revolutionize our understanding of aging. Under the microscope, he observed what looked like an internal cleanup crew. cellular mechanisms that break down damaged parts and recycle them to build stronger cells. This process was later named autophagy. Between Suzuki's research on centenarians and Osumi's discoveries in the lab, the mystery started to unfold. These long-lived Okinawans didn't have any hidden medical technologies. Without even knowing it, their daily lifestyle was naturally triggering the same cellular self-renewal mechanisms, unlocking the body's own renewal system day after day. But the real secret isn't hidden in some faraway place. It's inside your body itself. Inside every cell of your body lies a tiny factory that works silently day and night. This factory doesn't just produce energy, it constantly monitors every component inside the cell. When it detects damaged parts or unnecessary proteins, it breaks them down and recycles them to build new, stronger components. This intelligent process is called autophagy, the body's natural cleaning system. Imagine your body as a house with a team of invisible workers. No one sees them, but every night, when everything quiets down, they come out to fix the broken pipes, patch the walls, and clean every corner. By morning, you wake up in a refreshed, renewed house. That's exactly what happens inside your body during specific periods. When you stop consuming food for long enough, your system shifts from digestion to deep cellular repair. According to a 2024 study published in Cell Reports, autophagy becomes noticeably active after 12 to 16 hours without food, precisely the fasting window many Okinawan elders follow naturally without even realizing its power. During this time, cells clear out damaged proteins, recycle worn-out components to generate clean energy, and repair DNA damage. This mechanism doesn't just slow down aging, it also boosts immunity and protects against diseases like cancer, diabetes, and obesity. In recent years, groundbreaking research has highlighted the central role of autophagy in extending health span. For example, a 2023 study in Nature Metabolism showed that stimulating autophagy reduces chronic inflammation, a hidden driver behind many modern diseases. And in 2025, Science Advances reported that regularly activating this process can extend cellular lifespan by up to 30% compared to normal conditions. Adding another layer to this understanding, Nobel laureate Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn demonstrated through her research that simple daily habits, such as regular fasting and stress reduction, can positively impact telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes. Healthier telomeres are directly linked to slower aging at the molecular level. What's truly remarkable is that this power isn't limited to labs or the bodies of Okinawan centenarians. It's already within you. The only difference is that most people unintentionally switch it off every day through constant eating, late-night snacks, and overconsumption of processed sugars. In doing so, they deny their bodies the chance to activate this hidden team of cellular repair workers. But how can anyone unlock this power inside their own body? The answer is simpler than you might think. After exploring the fascinating Japanese story and the real science behind autophagy and longevity, one big question remains. How can anyone, anywhere in the world, activate these natural healing mechanisms inside their own body? To answer that, let me share a short story with you. In 2023, a 50-year-old American man named John decided to try the Japanese lifestyle he had heard about. He was overweight, constantly tired, and struggling with high blood pressure. Instead of making drastic changes, he started with just 2 simple steps: moving dinner to 6 p.m. and avoiding any food until 10 a.m. the next morning. Within only 8 weeks, John lost over 15 pounds. His blood pressure improved, and most importantly, he said he felt more energetic than he had in 20 years. Medical tests confirmed a clear improvement in his inflammation markers and blood sugar levels. His story wasn't some rare miracle. It was real-life proof of the incredible power that small, consistent daily habits can have. The first step anyone can take is to reset their biological clock through regular nightly fasting. This can be done by setting a daily fasting window between 12 and 16 hours, the simplest way to trigger autophagy without any extra effort. For example, you can have dinner early around 7 p.m. and delay breakfast until 11 a.m. the next day. This gives your body enough time to shift from digestion mode into deep cellular repair. This pattern isn't a temporary diet. It's an ancient habit practiced by the Japanese for centuries. Modern research has shown that it improves insulin sensitivity, reduces chronic inflammation, and activates the genes responsible for recycling cellular components. The second step is to master the art of stopping before you're completely full, a principle known as Hara Hachi Bu, which means eating until you're about 80% satisfied. At first, it can be tricky to estimate that point, but slowing down while eating, pausing between bites, and paying attention to real hunger signals make it much easier. Over time, people notice a lighter body, clearer mind, and stable energy levels after meals, signs that the body is finding balance between fueling itself and activating its repair system. The third step is to nourish your cells with foods that support the body's internal cleaning mechanisms. Autophagy cannot be efficiently activated while relying on processed sugars and trans fats. That's why the daily foundation of your diet should be whole, natural foods. This includes fermented foods such as miso, a probiotic-rich soybean paste, natto, a uniquely fermented soybean loaded with vitamin K2 and enzymes that support vascular health, and tofu, a plant-based cheese made from soy milk that provides essential protein and minerals. These foods strengthen digestion, immunity, and cellular function. Sesame seeds are another powerful addition. They're rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and minerals that support bone strength and cellular renewal, and can easily be sprinkled onto daily meals. Alongside these come smart carbohydrates like purple sweet potatoes and whole grains, which deliver steady energy and protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. The fourth step involves creating a simple morning routine to awaken the body at the start of the day. Centenarians in Japan don't begin their mornings with heavy meals or fast food. Instead, they drink 2 glasses of warm water on an empty stomach to stimulate detoxification and digestion, then engage in light movement, like walking or gentle stretches, to improve circulation. Many also enjoy a cup of antioxidant-rich green tea to support the body's natural defenses. The fifth and final step is to focus on consistency rather than perfection. Many people make the mistake of trying to change everything at once. A better approach is to start with just one small change, like having dinner earlier, and then add one new habit each week. Over time, these behaviors naturally become part of daily life, allowing the body to transform from the inside out without extreme effort or feelings of deprivation. Through these 5 simple steps, it becomes clear that activating the body's natural healing mechanisms doesn't require complicated programs or expensive treatments. It only takes small, daily decisions that restore your body to its optimal biological rhythm, just like the people of Okinawa have been doing for generations. Now that we've explored these simple steps, it's time to see the bigger picture and end with a message that could change the way you see your body and your life. This protocol isn't a temporary diet or some magical formula. It's a return to the original biological rhythm that the human body has followed for thousands of years. Nightly fasting, stopping before fullness, choosing natural foods, and starting your mornings with calm, intentional routines aren't just healthy habits. They are keys that unlock your body's built-in ability to repair and renew itself. Modern research shows that when these habits are practiced consistently, they reduce chronic inflammation, improve mitochondrial function, and boost the body's natural capacity for cellular regeneration, the real factors that determine quality of life and longevity. When these steps come together, the transformation doesn't happen overnight. It unfolds gradually, through quiet but undeniable changes. In the first few weeks, the body begins to regain its internal balance. Sleep improves, meals leave you feeling light, and mental clarity increases during the day. Soon after, visible signs appear: healthier skin, higher energy, and a better mood. Over time, these habits become a natural part of daily life, empowering your body to resist the natural decline of aging and continue renewing itself from within. Remember, the secret to staying young isn't sold in a bottle. It's planted in your daily choices. Don't wait for tomorrow. Every meal and every small decision can be the starting point for a powerful inner transformation. This isn't a journey of restriction. It's a journey back to your body's natural design to work efficiently and intelligently. Before you close this video, share in the comments what's the first step you're going to start with today. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for upcoming episodes where we'll dive even deeper into the science of inner rejuvenation. The choice is yours. Take back your body's priceless energy.